Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an animated Instagram post on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the social media button next to the whiteboards option. In the Instagram section, you can find the animated Instagram post. And you have more options. You can upload pictures and choose pictures and videos from your gallery, or you can add different graphic design and elements in the elements section. And in the design section you can find the different animated Instagram post templates, and just select one and step on it. In the templates you can edit the template style, the animation. You can choose combinations, basic or exaggerate animation. You can edit the color of the template, and you can change the text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.